What's good, family? Today we have a full review for the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMPs. We're gonna go over all the little details, throw these on feet, give you my full rating from 0 to 10. We're even gonna compare them to the Concords that dropped a couple years ago. So make sure you stick around. If you guys end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Let's see if we could get this one to 150 likes. Something light. I know y'all could do it. Also, subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 23,000 subscribers. Thank y'all for all the continuous support. But all that being said, let's get into the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Starting with the box, you have the gold foil Jumpman. We used to see this Jumpman on GS pairs a couple years back. This box does have a gold ring. I got them in a size 10. Color code is white, metallic, gold, and black. Pretty much it for this side. You also get the 2-3 on the face of the box. Nothing else around the other sides. Getting into the box, lid does say thank you, I think. Let me know in the comments if y'all know what that is. That looks like hieroglyphics to me, but most importantly, we got the kicks. Yes, sir. We got the DMP Gratitude Jordan 11s. I'm excited to get in detail on these and basically compare them, cover everything on it. Let's get to it. First things first, these officially released December 9th. Few days at this point. We did see a shock drop a few weeks ago, which is why I have this pair in hand. I'm glad my pair doesn't have any flaws. A lot of people are saying the quality on this pair is trash, so I'm excited to compare them to the Concords and see the differences between the two. There's rumors that the patent leather is dookie on this pair, so I do want to try to debunk that. Let me pull out this other pair though first. The paper does say thank you in a bunch of different languages. Bang, we got the kicks, and off of first glance, the materials on this sneaker look spectacular. I love that gold on the back. It just gives it a more luxurious kind of vibe. Also, the leather is super tumbled on this pair, which I do love. Retail for the Gratitudes is a little bit crazy if you ask me. $230 is insane, especially with all the quality control issues that people are reporting. But nonetheless, it is a gorgeous sneaker. I'm glad they brought these back. The original release was in 2006 when they released them with the Jordan 6s in a pack. We saw the Jordan 6s release in 2020, and it was only a matter of time before we saw the DMP 11s return. I do wish these had the hang tag, especially for $230, bro. The least you could do is give us a hang tag, throw on the plastic shoe trees, give us the full treatment, if that makes sense. Give y'all a quick little close up. You got that Jumpman in gold, 2-3 in the back is hitting. The cream outsoles, I don't see any flaws in my pair particularly. If you guys picked up an early pair of these from the shock drop or on platforms, let me know in the comments if yours came faulty. Before we compare them to the Concords, I am going to go over all the little details on this pair, starting with the outsole. 7210-esque creamy bottom. You do have the Jumpman obviously on the inside, black pods on this pair. Carbon fiber does have gold inside of it, which is pretty sick. Going up to the midsole, you have that same Concord type vibe with the white. Only difference is the creamy color right here. Normally it would be like a bluish icy tone. Moving on to the upper, you have that black patent leather that we see on the Concords. High cut that we've been seeing for the past few years. Going all the way around it, moving to the heel of the sneaker, we have that gold Jumpman 2-3 and that metal foil type vibe. I definitely do like the fact that they didn't print this on. It's actually on there, which makes it a little bit more durable in my opinion. Gold Jumpman on the other side, obviously. Tongue for these does have the gold Jumpman. This is some pretty good quality leather on the tongue, as well as on the collar of the sneaker, which is actually one of the main differences from this and the older versions of the 11s. This is all leather versus the mesh that we would typically see on the 11s. Insole does have that 2-3 and that gold metallic print. Quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever. I wish they would have gave us the plastic shoe tree. That's pretty much all the details on the Jordan 11 Gratitude DMPs. I do want to quickly compare these to the Concords. One of the main differences obviously is the black Jumpman and the white embroidered 45 on the most recent Concords. These have the gold Jumpman with the 23 on the back. The outsole is where you see the biggest difference. Concords have the purple pods. DMP's got the black. Concords got the icy blue, which mines aren't even that icy anymore, but typically it's icy blue. These are creamy straight out the box. Carbon fiber on the DMP's has a gold hint. Concords is all black. Concords got the white Nike Air. DMP's got that gold 23. Concords was one of the last pairs we got the plastic shoe trees in. These, I don't even want to talk about it. Tongue on the Concords got that little purple Jumpman. DMP's got the gold once again. Another one of the main difference is the ballistic mesh on the Concords versus the tumble leather that we get on the DMP's. Tumbleness on the tongue of the Gratitudes is insane. That's pretty much all the differences. I do want to pull the shoe trees out just so I could feel the patent leathers. I wasn't expecting there to be much of a difference, but there actually is. On this side I have the Concords, this side I have the DMP's. I'm gonna put the same amount of pressure. Concords is more resistant. The DMP's have like a cheaper quality patent leather. Concords has more resistance. It's harder to push in. They almost feel like replicas the way that I'm pushing them in, and I do have concerns when it comes to the creasing of the DMP's because of that. I don't know, look at this. And then the Concords has like firmer materials. I guess we're just gonna have to see how these wear in through time. I am gonna throw them on feet. This might be the first time in history where I think the Jordan 11 might end up sitting on shelves on release date. I know times is hard, I'm not gonna lie, but this is uncalled for, unexpected. Typically these sell out. I'm not gonna say, hey, just sit back and let these drop, let them do what they do, because if you want this pair, I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell out. I just don't know if it's gonna be the first day, if that makes sense. If y'all are gonna cop the DMP Gratitudes, let me know in the comments. I would personally rate these a 9 out of 10. It's a solid sneaker. I do wish the material for the patent leather was a little bit better. The material everywhere else, at least on my pair, no issues. I love the fact that I got a clean pair. Some people are getting yellowish outsoles, way more yellow than this, so I don't know what's going on with the quality control for everybody else, but speaking for myself, I got a solid pair. Let me know in the comments if y'all think I should keep these or let them go, since I do already have Concord Jordan 11s. The only thing that's left is throwing them on feet, giving y'all that on feet look, and then we'll get straight up out the building. If y'all made it this far, please leave a like on this video. Let's see if we could get this one to 150 likes. I know it's possible. Y'all been going crazy showing support, which I am grateful for. Also subscribe to the channel because we're on road to 23,000 subscribers. And while you're down there, comment what should be the next early sneaker that I pick up. I'm debating on getting the Jordan 14s in black and white, or even those Celadon Jordan 1s. I don't know if I would end up keeping those. That's the only issue holding me from buying them, to be honest. Let's throw these on feet.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true.
Now that y'all saw what these are looking like on feet, let me know in the comments if this is a sneaker that you need in your collection, or there's just other priorities for this month, which I do understand. There's Christmas around the way, bunch of other sneaker releases, which I do respect. You gotta pick and choose. I'm definitely doing it myself, even though I got with fear of God, bro. Y'all gonna see how many pieces I ended up buying. I'll talk about it when I talk about it. It is what it is. DMPs are concluded. I wish y'all the best of luck on this drop. It should be fairly easy. Just make sure you don't sleep if it's a sneaker you want. This is not gonna be one of those that goes on sale. Hopefully I don't gotta eat my words. That's just my opinion though. I think even if these don't sell out, they will sell out within a couple weeks, at most 3-4 weeks. Doubt they'll put these on sale. I just don't see it happening. Then again, nowadays we just never know, you feel me? I appreciate y'all for coming through to the video. If you made it this far, comment Gucci ice cream. That way we confuse everybody that didn't make it to the end. Also leave a like on this video. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these two videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your history. Click one of those two and I'll meet you there. Peace.